now working as an assistant professor in Government Private Hospital and Kilpack Medical College. So this journey is very big journey, and what I can say, the luck favors hard work. Hard work favors luck. Somewhere down the line, if one or two students, if they may get some fire in it, then it will be helpful for them. This field is full of cancer treatment. The medical physics profession is more of an optimization. You do things for optimizing the quality of the treatment. Cancer, the name, we know that cancer is an abnormal cell which grow out of control. The treatment modality of cancer, the number 1 is surgery, number 2 chemotherapy, number 3 radiotherapy. So surgical oncology, medical oncology, and radiation oncology. Causes of the cancer include the environmental exposure and occupational exposure and the lifestyle. Tobacco deaths are nearly, you can check the website cancerindia.org.in. In that you can see that tobacco every year nearly 3,17,000 people die of this tobacco every year, and the trends are increasing because of the tobacco chewing. It may be smoking or smokeless tobacco. Many lifestyle factors already affecting us, environmental factors already affecting us. If you keep on adding the chance by chewing tobacco or thing, then it will make your life miserable. What is actually cancer? It is an abnormal cell growth. Then by using radiation, you are breaking the chain. You're breaking the chain of the cell division. So DNA damage will fix your cell division. So radiation therapy, again, it has been categorized as an external beam and internal beam. And external beam include your linear accelerator, which means the patient has been treated from outside. The source is outside the patient, and it will be treated in the radiation comes from the point source like that. So it is a diverged beam which is coming externally. There are some internal way of doing radiation therapy. In that, the radioactive source will be placed near the tumor within the patient, and that's also one type of radiation therapy treatment. And nuclear medicine, which deals with the radiopharmaceuticals. In that, I told before, radioisotope will be tagged with some pharmaceutical, which means a chemical, which is a one which is a targeting thing. So when a radiopharmaceutical is injected in the patient, the drug will ensure that it gets into the target tissue or target organ, and the radioactive substance, the radioactivity attached with this pharmaceutical will ensure it delivers the radioactive dose.